Outside my window, is everything pale?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope the summer heat is treating you guys good. Over here in California where we live, it is extremely hot already, like triple digits. So fast came in, but I do have some cleaning to do, so that's what I'm going to be sharing today's video. It's just some cleaning motivation, of course, homemaking. So we're just going to go ahead and quickly unload the dishwasher with some little magic powers here. I don't know, I just feel these kind of clips are very satisfying, so let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoy watching these too. But as you can tell, we're gonna go ahead and just tidy up the kitchen. This is actually filmed the day after Father's Day. We did have a little food barbecue here with my sisters and my mom, of course, and we're just gonna go ahead and clean up the mess and everything. I'm actually also off this day, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take advantage to get some housework done. And then I do have a product I want to share with you guys further up in the video, in case you guys are have been like me, dealing with knee problems or feet problems and stuff like that. So I've been trying something out that has been working, but I'm just gonna go ahead and let the music play for a little bit as I wash the dishes.
My room, the heat's like a warm embrace. My bed feels like heaven. I lose track of time and space. Behind these clouds, I know the sun will be, but today's raining, so be patient with me. I'll be right, somehow I must be somewhere the sky is blue. I'm too tired to sleep, too tired to do anything else than doing nothing. I'm too tired to rest, too tired, I'm blue. Can't do nothing else than doing nothing.
So as many of you guys know, I do work at Burlington, so that means I'm on my feet a lot, as well as when I'm here at the house, I'm also on my feet a lot. I'm just always walking and trying to just continue keeping myself healthy. But even though I've lost lots of pounds off of my body already, my knee, I've been having knee problems for years already. So I figured I'd probably try a different shoe. So I was in the market for looking for a shoe that would help me and still look nice and good with my casual business that I have to use at work. So as I was searching around the internet, a couple of days afterwards, I received an email, of course, from this company, Fitville, and they were wanting to work with me and trying out a pair of shoes. So I picked these shoes here. Like I said, they're from the company Fitville. So I just want to say thank you so much, Fitville, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. They have many different shoes, a selection for everybody, from women to men's to older people, all of your needs for either walking shoes, running shoes, diabetic shoes, casual shoes, a little bit of everything, just to help your feet and your body feel more comfortable. Like I mentioned, I was in the market for some just because of my knee problem, and since I've received these shoes, I have been wearing them every day. They're very lightweight, very airy, very comfortable, soft, since they do have a memory foam inside. But like I mentioned, my knee on long shifts, or if I'm on my feet all day, my knee from my right side starts with pain. There's times that when I'm walking, I just feel like I can't stretch out my knee when it gets too bad, like at a certain point. And like I mentioned, I have been taking care of what I eat and stuff like that. So I've lost many pounds already, and I know my feet is my knee is still hurting, so I figured it was not the weight problem, if not my shoes. So I'm not saying I don't wear my regular shoes that go with my slacks or casual shoes, the thin shoes like Vans and stuff like that. I still wear those, but I'm not gonna let these go, especially on long shifts where I'm at work and on my feet for 8 hours, 6 hours, or if it's truck day. Also too, I really love that these, you don't have to necessarily untie your shoe every time you're going to put it on. Just use the Velcro and it's just easily opens and closes, so you can have easy access to putting your shoes on, which is a plus for me, because with my normal shoes, I just have them put on to a tightness where I don't have to be removing them. And that's what I really liked about these shoes as well, that little feature had. They are very affordable. I will have all of the information of my shoes that I got and everything linked in the description box for you guys. I also ordered another pair, which actually came in 2 weeks after I had received these. Also very lightweight, cute, practical, and they're also walking shoes. And since when I wear these walking shoes, because they're specially for walking, so when I wear the walking shoes, I don't feel my knee hurting. I was at the point where if I was at work for a very long time, not only my knee was bothering from the front, but the back part was feeling like something was pulling, very uncomfortable, of course. So I do use these on long days or when I know I'm going to be on my feet or walking around a lot, but I will leave everything linked down below. Like I mentioned, they're very cute and affordable, and I'm also going to share here the other pair that I received. They're super cute also. I'm going to have to admit that this second pair was my favorite pair, of course, but they're also really cute. But like I mentioned, they had running shoes, walking shoes, diabetic shoes, casual shoes, a little bit of everything. So if you're in the market for some comfortable shoes to go out for a run, a walk, be on the treadmill, everything like that, go ahead and check them out. You won't regret it. I said it already. It's very affordable, so definitely check them out.
You've got me questioning my position. Am I just filling out? Taking space, not with as much grace. Am I a second choice of all, not a Rolls Royce?
Okay, so now we're just going to go ahead and finish washing up the last few dishes I have here. I'm going to go ahead and wipe down my counters, remove a little bit of decor that I have just to have it very light and airy before I start bringing out my early autumn decor, we're going to say. So that will be starting here like on YouTube towards the beginning of August, of course, like always. Fingers crossed. So yeah, I know Hobby Lobby at the moment has 40% off on their spring collection. No, not their spring, on their fall collection. So I'm so excited to go and check out that part. I think their spring collection is probably like 75%. So it's a good idea to go ahead and check those out also, so you could go ahead and purchase whatever's cheap, save it for next year if you're that type of person that likes to decorate for every season. I know everybody does not do that, but just in case you are the person who are, so go check out whatever's left over from spring, so you could go ahead and pack that away. Summer also, check that sales over there. But the fall one is where I'm mostly excited for, of course. But like I mentioned, we're just going to go ahead and quickly wash out this sink now that the dishes are done. Give it a really nice scrub.
I'ma be the one to tell.
So I do get asked a lot where my sink is from and my faucet. So my sink is from Amazon. I do have it linked in my Amazon storefront. Sorry, but for some reason I just can't talk today. So I do have it linked in my Amazon storefront, and my faucet is from Amazon also. It's by the company Eat the Home. I did a review on it so many years back. I'm gonna say probably like the beginning or mid of COVID, and I still love it up to now. It's been several years since I've gotten it. No problems at all. I still love it. I am no plans of changing it. The little soap dispenser on the side, I can't remember if it came with it or if I bought them, but I think I bought that soap dispenser to match it, and if I'm not wrong, the soap dispenser is from Home Depot. So now we're going to go ahead and start wiping down the counters. In the pot that's there, I have some arroz con leche for the kids that didn't eat in the morning. I don't know, some of my kids just like when it's cold, especially on summertime. It tastes even way more better, I feel, during the summertime. But I think it's also known as rice pudding. But in Spanish, it's arroz con leche. So that's what's in there. Just going to go ahead and wipe everything off, and then we're going to go ahead and start removing what's the lemons and stuff like that. And then in my next video, you guys will see where I will start removing all of the yellow lemons summer decor from our living room.
Cross love from my list of to-dos. I didn't ask to be turned around, upside down, but here we are, and it's a good thing. You bring out the best in me. I don't know why or how. With you, I'm the girl that I want to be. It just feels right somehow. To all of my doors, you have found the key. Got nowhere left to.
Just a little curiosity. Are you guys over summer? Are you guys still excited for it? Are you still enjoying it? Are you guys already receiving super hot summer days, or are you still waiting for those? Because we're literally been in triple digits. I feel like it's been forever. So I am totally over summer heat, everything related to summer decor, all of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and pack up all the lemons, sunflowers, everything that reminds me of summer. I'm going to pack it up and put it away already because I want summer to start leaving. I've said it several times. If you guys know me, that I could skip summer any time of the year because I just can't do the heat, especially the heat here. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. Removing all of this, everything that's going to remind me of summer, I'm going to remove that because I'm done with summer.
With you, I'm the girl that I want to be. It just feels right somehow. To all of my doors, you have found the key.
So for the Studio McGee frames, I didn't even know where I wanted to hang them at or put them away at. I didn't want to store them, so I was either putting them in our entryway that leads to the bedrooms where I have that little seating section at, or either put them here. So I think I'm just gonna put them here and see what happens, but I gotta admit that most likely in next video you guys are gonna see that they're not gonna be there anymore because they are gonna end up being removed, because I don't know what I was feeling about them being here in this corner. I also removed the table runner, summer table runner that I had got from Hobby Lobby for our table. Came back with a neutral one. So of course you guys didn't see that. Then on the stove there, you guys most likely saw what was baked on the stove. Yep, I did it. I turned on my oven on a triple-digit heat day and made some banana bread. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm just going to share a little bit of all of the afters here in the kitchen. And then I do have some wiping to do in our console table over here that was looking so dusty, as well as our living room table, our coffee table. And then I'm just going to fluff up the pillows, of course. And that would be all for today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to click the subscribe button once again. Don't forget to give this video a like. Lets me know that you guys enjoy watching videos like this and helps YouTube push out my videos more often so others can watch. And I do apologize for not uploading a video last weekend, but just life happens. We were at the beach enjoying the weekend this time, so we went ahead and left YouTube alone for a bit. But now I'm here with another video. Next video is coming up as well. Everything with all the details and everything for Fitville shoes are going to be linked in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out. And once again, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
If I tried to get the lay of the land, it's a lot to